Before we wrap the show today, Brian and I like to share a little something we refer to as the Whissel Widget of the Week. This is something we utilize in our business. It saves us time, makes us more money, or just helps us have more fun. What do you got, Brian?
I'm going to do one that I literally learned about 27 minutes and 33 seconds ago. And it's within Instagram. In your story, if you go and press the little icon that looks like a smiley face on a piece of paper, I guess you can call it, where you can find do the location and at mention and all that sort of stuff. They have a new function there called AI stickers. And I was playing with it literally 30 minutes ago. And there are times where I want to do, a sticker that I want to overlay. Like I said, I did Patrick Star crying about the drive-in closing. But sometimes I can't find what I'm looking for. They have a new feature now called AI stickers. And you click on it, you type in what you want, and it will make a little sticker for you. I did a hungry hippo, and it did a little purple and pink hippo with fangs. It was kind of weird. But if you want to be, something unique or something that you can't find already, you can create your own AI sticker all within Instagram. And it's quick. It's really quick. So that's my widget this week.
Smart. One of the ones I've been using lately, this became popular initially. I think it was one of the first on Zoom. You started seeing these AI bots or tools being used on Zoom, and that's been great. Then now Zoom has it built into it. You don't even need a third-party one anymore, but now it's built into Zoom. And we have started using these same services in just meetings. So had a meeting last week with somebody who's kind of mentoring my partner and I on our development stuff. And so I just recorded the whole thing. So one, I have the entire meeting recorded, but then I have all the notes and the takeaways and stuff, kind of the summary of that meeting. And then we've been using it we met with a vendor last week who's kind of going over their program. And it's like, hey, I'm going to record this thing. So it's been really cool to use AI, not just for Zooms, but using them in meetings. And so we're going to start doing that in client meetings as well. Obviously, you want to make sure you get your client's permission. You're not supposed to. Now, some states you actually can, but California at least is a two-party consent state. So I don't think it's weird at all though to say to your client like, "Hey, do you mind if I just record the meeting? I want to make sure I don't miss anything, and I can come back and check my notes later if I need to." Like, I don't think you're going to have clients have a problem with it at all.
No, that's like, do you mind if I take notes? Yeah, I mind.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
No.
Like, do you mind if I have my AI assistant take notes? Like, I don't think people are going to have any issue with that at all. So it just makes sure you don't miss little details, because sometimes you're in a meeting, you're nervous, or you're excited, and things slip through the cracks. It can just really help mitigate that. And the one that I've been using is Otter, Otter. There's probably other ones that work, but Otter is the one that I've been using. And then you can also integrate it with your CRM, so you can then have the notes attached to a profile of the client and stuff. It's pretty sweet. So Otter has been really, really valuable for doing AI note taking during not only Zooms, but face-to-face meetings too.
Very cool.
Awesome, guys. Well, thank you so much for tuning into the show. My name is Kyle Whissel with eXp Realty.
I'm Brian Kochi.
We'll see you next week. Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.